trenches, I remember sharing meals. Brody out his body, really thirsty for the kills. This shit go left and I'ma go and hit the field. I don't take it up with niggas, I just shoot it to a click. Got money, hoes, and clothes, so I ain't worried about a bitch. Niggas in the bitches be the ones that politic. We gon' strip for his shit when we see him. I wouldn't wanna be them niggas already looking back. Been did the 100, been ready to this time. I don't talk about the past, cause I'm still happy. Just look through some coin cake, got my heels dragging. I'm fucking bitches independent, and I'm deal.
Break. Nigga chain full of BS1s, but the metal fake. Nigga drink the whole pint, that's how the metal take. Go a party on the hot block, while I celebrate. Nigga shoot 2 chop, they barely finish.
Alright, man, I guess this gonna be the first YouTube video, because I was supposed to film one the last time I took my car out. I took the sedan out, but my car broke like instantly, so I just didn't feel like making a video. Look at this guy all up in my lane. But yeah, it starts at 6. I'm not gonna be home for an hour, and then it's like a 2-hour drive, so we're gonna be late. I gotta go home, pick up the trailer, pick up the car, the homies. But yeah, I guess we'll see if we end up getting a video out of this one. See how it go. We're hella late, bruh. Shit. Let's see what we got. I brought like 4 spares. This is ridiculous. Look at this. Holy. Made it. I should have washed it, bro. My car, I didn't realize it was just dirty. This will be the first time sliding it with Corvette tips. We made it though. I don't know what happened. I guess I'm not famous enough to like put my shit inside, but see it taking over. My boy Cole just rewrapped this shit. This shit look good. And it matched the kit. My bad. Got Josh's V2. The TEs. We got my boy Seuss's right-hand drive. I think it's the LS 7. Bro, this shit is crazy. They got dual caliper.
Ready to get the fuck out of here.
No, I want to go home. Big camera guy. What's your Instagram, bro?
My Instagram?
Let's see the back of the phone. Back of the phone.
It's just fucking up, bro.
Oh yeah, 562 Films. Yeah.
Years later.
Alright, update, bro. We're still here. Still waiting to slide. It's dark out now. I'm trying to get cracking, bro. It's gonna be so small. I'm gonna just crank the wheel full throttle, and that's probably it. We're not allowed to go around the poles or nothing, so we're gonna do some little tight ones. Some... We prepared. Prepared. Actually, we weren't prepared. Josh had to give me this. What you gotta say about it, bro?
It's a little ass pit, bro.
Little ass pit. I know, I wish we could go around this, but they said we ain't doing none of that. I would get through there like nothing, man.
Shit, only one car in the pit during this time. We're just here to have a full fun time. Just simple shit. You know what I'm saying? Don't overdo it. If you know your car just blow the fuck up, don't even low, push it towards our limit.
Shit, I don't know if my car gonna make it.
And just respect the bike. Stay behind these fucking poles. Alright.
You heard the man, stay behind the poles, and if you're in the car, don't go behind them. Bro, this shit gonna be loud.
bitch talking shit. That motherfucker be talking shit.
All right, I'm not gonna lie, bro. That was, hey, that was way more fun than I had expected. Like, I was able to grab second. Oh yeah, I got enough tire for one more. I have spares, but I'm gonna just use these. Bro, it's been like 5 minutes. Look at this. I did them bad, bro. This shit smoked out. What's the deal? Oh, we. two-step real quick. Bang the two-step. God damn. Hey, that shit got the hot tune-up in it.
Come on now.
That's that taking over shit, huh?
We don't play games.
Tell them that's that taking over shit.
We got a fully built car to do donuts, bro.
Yup.
Come on, imagine when we got to drifts, bro.
Yeah, I mean,
Who we got? Who we got? Yeah.
you so old basis motherfucker, bro.
Oh. See the headlights though. You see that? How y'all not finna grab my boy hat? How y'all finna leave his hat right there? How y'all finna leave his hat right there? Come on. I got you, Chris.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate
Come on.
Keep knocking me.
Shit, we loading up to get loose. Oh. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Well, I guess this is it, y'all. It was pretty cool. Huh. Pretty cool. Got some cool videos. Honestly, I was just hyped to see the flames out of the quad tips. But yeah, I guess we got done in a good time. I was gonna do one more. Just had to load it up and then boom, cops. Hey, that was pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, that shit was cracking. Fuck everybody else. I just wanted to see that.
We was just trying to see the quad tips work. Woo! But yeah, alright, this is it. Comment, I don't know, let me know how you guys like it. I really don't know what I'm doing here. I'm not a YouTuber. But yeah, thanks for watching.